How to delete all promotional emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Log into your account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you will find promotions. Hold on to one email, then you'll find select all option on top right or left. Simply click on trash and your all promotional email will be deleted at one go. After you do that, you can also remove it from the trash. Simply click on three lines on top left corner and then you'll find trash option. Click on trash and you're good to go. This is how to delete all promotional emails in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.